Hi students, today's our topic is the continuation of carbon cycle which we saw in the last class. There we have studied different process. Now we will see in detail. So the carbon cycle, this was the carbon cycle which we did in the last class, and now we will see each process which helps to remove carbon dioxide and to add carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. So first process which helps in the removal of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is by photosynthesis. So you know photosynthesis, in which plants prepare glucose with the help of carbon dioxide and the presence of a green pigment called chlorophyll, and sunlight provides the energy for that. You can see here the equation, 6CO2 plus 6H2O in presence and of light and chlorophyll gives you glucose and oxygen. So by this process the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is removed or used up. You can see here. So what happens then? Animals eat these plants, so carbon compound get passed along the food chain. Now next another process is by dissolving. Some carbon dioxide from air dissolves in oceans. It provides carbonate ions which shellfish use along with calcium ions from the water to form their shells. Okay, so shells are actually made up of calcium carbonate. So some of the shellfish use this calcium and carbonate to carbon dioxide or the carbonate ions which is dissolved to make their shells, and fish also use them to form their skeletons. So by this process also the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is used up. So the two processes which helps in the removal of carbon dioxide, one is photosynthesis, another one is by dissolving. Now we will see the process which helps in the addition of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. So first process is respiration. In simple words, how we can define respiration? It is a process of intake of oxygen by any living organism that helps to break down glucose into simpler compounds, and large amount of energy is released. So the simpler compounds I mean here is, you can see here, glucose, and it reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water, and large amount of energy is used. So this energy we are using for our work. Now here also carbon dioxide is released to the atmosphere. Another process is by combustion of fuels. You know that methane, all natural gases and all hydrocarbons, when they burn, two types where there complete burning and incomplete burning. Complete burning or complete combustion, every time carbon dioxide is one of the product. So like that the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is increased by combustion. So this cycle goes on. Now you can see the questions here. Describe the processes in carbon cycle. So you have to describe each of these processes, starting from photosynthesis, dissolving. They used to remove carbon dioxide, and adding carbon dioxide by respiration and combustion of fuels. And you can see this picture, and here they asked you to find which letter represents photosynthesis and respiration, and complete the processes that taking place in carbon cycle. Hope this is clear for you. Thank you.